Good morning, dear student of class 12. Today I am going to teach you your second lesson from Snapshot, The Tiger King, written by Kalki. The Tiger King. About the author, Kalki Krishnamurti, span of life 1899 to 1954. A better known by his pen name Kalki, was a Tamil writer, journalist, poet, critic, and Indian independence activist. His writing include over 120 short stories, 10 novels, 5 novels, 3 historical romances, editorials and political writings, biographies, travelogues, and hundreds of films and music reviews. Kalki has the skill to take the reader into the times of the story. First of all, you have to write and read. What is the summary of the lesson? This story refers to the Maharaja Sir Jilani Jang Bahadur of Pratibandharapuram. Astrologers predicted his future when he was just 10 days old, not years, 10 days old. Astrologers say that a tiger will kill him. On this, surprisingly, the 10-day-old prince said, "Let tigers be aware." The boy grows up just like any other royal child raised, such as by drinking the milk of white cow and looked after by English nanny and watching English movies. When he was 20, he was crowned king and came to know about the prediction about his death. So then onwards he started killing a tiger and put a ban on the tiger hunt in his state. According to the astrologers, he needs to be careful with the 100th tiger even if he successfully kills 99 tigers. One time, a high-ranking British officer visits his state and wants to go for a tiger hunt. However, the Maharaja declined his wish. In order to secure the state from the wrath of the British officer, the Maharaja sent 50 diamond rings to the officer's wife, whose worth was rupees 3 lakh. Maharaja sent 50 diamonds ring to the officer's wife, whose worth was rupees 3 lakh. Within 10 years, the Maharaja successfully slays 70 tigers. But after that, there were no tigers left in Pratibandharapuram. Hence, to complete his target of killing 100 tigers, he marries a girl from the royal state that he's more tigers so that he can complete his target. When he visits his in-laws, he makes sure that he kills 5 and 6 tigers each time. In addition, in this way, he was able to kill 99 tigers, but he was unable to find the 100th tiger. On not finding the 100th tiger, the Maharaja became violent and threatened the Diwan. In order to save himself from the fury of the king, the Diwan got an old tiger from the circus and with great difficulty put him in the forest. He told Maharaja about the tiger. So the Maharaja went on a hunt and shot the tiger and felt victorious and happy. But he did not know that his bullet had missed and the tiger was alive and it only collapsed out of fear. No one has the guts to tell the truth to the king, so they killed the tiger and brought it in a grand procession. Lastly, the Maharaja was joyful and happy. So on his son's birthday, he buys a wooden tiger as a gift for him. The tiger had rough edges, and while playing with it, he gets a woodcut in his hand, which later on advances into an infection, and because of it he dies. Therefore, faithfully, the 100th tiger, although made of wood, took his revenge and killed the king. So, this is the summary of your lesson, and you have to learn and write the short answer in about 30 to 40 words, and you have to write and read long answer type question. This is all are included in your half yearly examination. Thanks, child, and have a nice day.